Hey everyone, it's Hannah here at ColDesi, and I'm here to show you just one of the really cool things that you can do with your DigitalHeat FX i560 system. So we're going to be making glitter t-shirts. Now, not only is this something really unique that your customers probably can't get anywhere else, but there's also some really great selling opportunities for it. So let's show you how we did it. Let's talk about the products you're going to need to make glitter t-shirts like this. So the first thing is your transfer paper. Now, your paper for making glitter t-shirts comes with an A sheet that you'll print on, just like you're used to. But the B sheet is what has the glitter on it. You're also going to need clear toner. Now, the clear toner replaces your white toner in your DigitalHeat FX printer, but we're going to show you how to do that in a little bit later. The last thing you'll need is a Teflon sheet. You can also find this on colemanandcompany.com. Now let's show you how all these products come together to make glitter t-shirts. So something I love about the DigitalHeat FX i560 is that it features toner swapability. So the next step is to swap out our white toner for our clear toner. First thing you want to do is make sure that your printer is powered off. Next, I'm going to open up my printer using this lever here. And this is really easy. All I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my white toner out. I'm going to put it to the side in a safe location. I'll then grab my clear toner and remove this orange plastic piece. And this is going to slide right into place where the white toner was. And then you can close your printer. When you purchase a DigitalHeat FX i560 printer from ColDesi, you're automatically going to get access to our online training courses. These are step-by-step modules with videos and articles. They're going to teach you everything you need to know about using this printer. But also, you'll find the instructions for doing glitter t-shirts on the glitter kit product page on colemanandcompany.com. Now we're ready for the marrying step. So I'm going to lay my printed transfer down first. Then I'm going to put my glitter B sheet on top. And then I'll place my finishing sheet over and we'll press. Now we just want to slowly peel away the glitter B sheet here. And as you can see, that glitter just adhered to our toner here. So this is where the real magic happens. Now this transfer is ready to be put on our t-shirt, but I do just want to talk to you guys about the opportunity that you have with glitter. So it's a great way to enter into the spirit wear market, and I just know that moms and girls at that Friday night football game would love to wear something with a glitter mascot on it. So we are using a Bella canvas tank for this, and I'm just going to lay this on my heat press like so. I'm going to line up my transfer and make sure it's nice and even here. Then I'm going to cover it with my finishing sheet, and this is just going to protect our shirt. And I'm going to press. So this is a cool peel, so I'll want to take this over to my table and let it cool off. Now I'm just going to rip off my transfer and give this a final press. So here's where the Teflon sheet comes into play. You will use this for the finishing press, and you'll just lay that on top. Now the one thing here that is important to note is that before you remove this Teflon sheet, you do want this to cool completely. So I'm going to carefully move this over to our cool working table. So I'm just going to carefully remove my Teflon sheet, and this shirt is complete. And these glitter t-shirts are just one of the things that you can make with the DigitalHeat FX system. You can also make custom mugs, home decor, tote bags, and so much more. So go ahead and visit DigitalHeatFX.com and live chat with one of our pros.